Hey, I heard the data science and analytics booming with opportunities. Yes, soon it will become one of the largest and strongest industries since everything is working on data now. I think it's the best time then. I'm a fresh graduate and I want to build a career in data science and analytics. Are you sure about that? So of course, I love analyzing and interpreting complex data sets and helping organizations make better informed decisions and drive growth. But to learn, I don't know where to start. So what kind of help are you looking for? So I'm looking for the right course and institute to start with. So can you recommend one? Well, there are many institutes that offer courses in data science and analytics, but have you considered Imarticus Learning? Now they are a leading edtech company that creates top-notch analytics, data science, finance and marketing programs. That sounds good. So can you tell me more about their data science programs? Absolutely. Like they have a postgraduate program in data science and analytics PGA that's designed specifically for fresh graduates and early career professionals. So they offer weekday as well as weekend batches to accommodate your schedule. And the best part is that the program is placement assured. Wow, so that sounds great. So what kind of placements do they offer? So they have a job guarantee that offers to be placed at over 500 top tier partner organizations. Further, you can also upskill with the master courses that they offer. You get live lectures, peer-to-peer discussions, industry-oriented seminars, mentorship by industry experts, and a lot more. That's fantastic. So is there anything else I should know about the program? So just one thing, the program requires good communication skills. Thank you for your help. I'll definitely consider Imarticus Learning.